Oh, that's the swimming pool
Yeah, the swimming pool and the pool bar.
and the pool. So this is my room. Great,
Correct.
thank
This
you.
is your room. For you.
Thank you. Oh, take a look at here. Wow, nice. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So I moved to another hotel in Ubud. This is the Adiwana Suweta hotel in Ubud. It's more closer to the Ubud Center and is about 10 minutes drive to the Ubud Art Market on the weekend. So I'm here on Sunday and that's what I'm planning to do. So I moved to this hotel and I am very fortunate and I be staying at a 1-bedroom pool villa. So you can see this is the living room area, which is outside, and then right here is my pool. So it was raining heavily last night as I shown you in the other hotel. So the day bed is a little bit wet, but that's okay. This is a very interesting and lovely pool because the size is not just big, but also, you know, the view with the lush green and everything, which I do not see as often. I stay a lot of the pool villa already. So this is quite a nice view. If I want to get back in from the front door to my bedroom, I need to use my key. Okay, sorry, I just got in. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour other than the outside of my 1-bedroom pool villa. So starting right here, they have the Nespresso machine, and then they are all very much into the tea. You know how they put in the tubes and everything. So Adiwana Suweta Hotel in Phuket. Okay, and with a nice teacup and bottle of water, and then also the minibar is included as I was told. So very nice gesture. Thank you. Okay, so back here I was being very impressed with the painting and with the wood, you know, bamboo, even the wood ceiling, you know, the architecture and the decor is very Balinese. It's very Indonesian, very local, but very homely and nice. You know, look at the light fixture and look at this huge painting as the backdrop of the bedroom, and then facing the matching up lush green with the pool. So, you know, it's everything matching up so nicely here. Okay, so this is the sofa that, you know, with air conditioning, I can sit here, and then with the green and pool villa view, or the pool view. Okay, and then it's a welcome message from the resort manager. Very nice. Yeah, you know, I'm always checking the mattress and the pillow. Everything is up to par. So very good. Okay, so walking right in, you know, again, is the, you know, they do not call it a bathroom, but a more what do they call the Japanese one? But anyways, it's again, you know, with the Balinese textile pattern. And then they also supply you with the bag, and then the beach towels and normal towels, and this one with the iron board with the yoga mat, as well as the safe deposit box and 2 pair of slippers. Also, they got a very nice bathtub here, as always. Okay, and then let me check. Complimentary mineral water, hand soap, and body lotion. They are still using a little bit of plastic here, but that's all right. And then the hair dryer, as well as additional amenities. So of course they have the rain shower, and also this is their amenities. Okay, and then the toilet. So this is the door that can close. So for family, you know, someone can still be sleeping, and then somebody can, you know, have the bath, or, you know, can be in this area. So it's like 2 separate area by an actual door, you know, with the nice pattern as well. Okay, so I'm going to open it back up and give you one final view of the amazing 1-bedroom pool villa. This is the view that I will wake up to tomorrow morning. So I'm going to have breakfast here. I'm not going to have dinner here tonight, but I just have a quick lunch here. So I will, you know, I will show you the lunch. I am having a very interesting dinner tonight, which I will create another video. That is a dinner with a show. So, you know, hopefully it will be very good, and I can share with you that. So I'll be here again for one night, and I will show you as much as I can. Already loving it. Thank you. Good morning, Ubud Bali. So waking up to this view at Adiwana Suweta. Amazing, amazing.